T and I are moving rooms. Got upgraded to a bigger room, a bigger suite. So we're moving from one building to the next at our Town Place Suites. Moving all of our stuff could get crazy at times, but we gonna make it work. Healthy eating, healthy living on the road requires time and the ability to go shopping. Thank God for Costco's. There you go, Mr. Davis. Proceed. We are here at the Cummins dealership getting our Muppet service, the generator service more specifically. And it's early and I'm sleepy, but I gotta get up. I'm up. I gotta knock out my workout when I get back. How many of y'all listen to this? Is that rap music these days? Man, that right there, man. Ugh. What a real rap music at. So we're here at Cummins. Somebody else just bought their food truck in as well to get service, their generator. But they're wrapping up the service. Muppy is the talk of the town. Changing that oil, getting them ready to go. First activation days in Cincy, as you guys can see, it is raining. Ooh, so that lightning. Oh boy. So the storm's supposed to pass over, hopefully, in the next hour or so. But we are still heading to work and we are gonna adjust our plans accordingly once we get on site. And we'll see if the rain lets up or if it keeps going. But these are some of the things that you deal with when you're on tour. Crazy weather, rain, thunderstorms, tornadoes, and you got to be able to adjust and do what's best not only for your safety but the program and the event as well. So we've done 3 of 8 and we are here in Cincinnati, well, in Kentucky actually, Newport, Kentucky, getting ready to set up for our last activation of this week. And then we'll move to a little break and then come back and knock out the rest of next week in Cincinnati. We are in Cincy and we are having a date night. We are going to the Highway or the 85 show, comedy show featuring what's the DC Young Fly and a few other Atlanta-based comedians, but they are on tour, traveling across the country and doing this comedy show. So me and T decided to take some time and just have a good time and have a date night and laugh while we're at it. So we're here in Cincy enjoying our day off. We had 2 successful activations this week, and then we'll be right back at it tomorrow, wrapping up our last 3 activations here in Cincy, and then we will head to Columbus, Ohio. I'm sleepy. But it is Monday morning here in Cincy, and we have one more activation today. It's not till the evening, but I am up early because we are having some welding issues with our trailer where the fender's about to come off. So T asked me to come out and help him take Muppet off the trailer so he can go get it fixed. When you're on tour, when you have things going on, especially when it comes to your assets or just making sure the tour runs smoothly, you have to get up early and ensure that you get those things done and taken care of. Here it is right here. And this can be extremely dangerous because Cincinnati has some bad potholes, which has caused this to really move and shift and come apart, become detached from the trailer. So we are getting ready to leave Cincinnati, Nasty Natty, and head to Columbus. And we're here at our hotel, packing up all of our stuff. You're looking at me now, but in a few minutes I'm gonna just give you guys a glimpse into our room and our little process. Our stay here has been great. Got a letter last night saying that the hotel is going to be transitioning to a new company, no longer be Marriott, but I will be getting my points and credit for the stay, and that's all that matters. All right, so here's our process of packing. We have one bag with all of our toiletries, things that we use on a daily basis, like toothpaste, lotions, facial creams. Then we have a bag of just dry items like seasonings or magic bullet. We carry those separately. And then I have all my supplements in this little bag over here. And in a minute, I'm about to go ahead and pack up the rest of our cold stuff. I like to do this last because, of course, it is cold, and the longer it sits out, chance we have of things going spoil or us no longer being able to use it. Then we got a couple veggies and some portobello mushroom ravioli that I'll probably be cooking tonight for dinner once we get to Columbus. So everything has been removed, ready for the housekeepers to come in and finish and do everything that they need to do to get the room ready for the people that will be coming in next. So got our cart ready. T's gonna load everything on, and we should be out of here in the next 15 to 20 minutes. We are here in Columbus, and today is laundry day. So not only are we washing our clothes, but we also wash the different towels and rags that the chefs use when they're in the food truck cleaning and preparing meals. So we got the bleach, our OxyClean, and our Percel, and T is about to head down now and take care of that. So we'll be all set for the next 4 days of activation here in Columbus. So, but yeah, life on the road, man. You gotta wash. Thank God we are staying in a hotel that has free laundry, so we don't have to worry about leaving the hotel or paying for laundry this time. So off he goes. Ohio, we're done for the day. Done everything we need to do to prepare for our first event, and we are making a donut run. So check out this place called Buckeye Donuts by Ohio State. See what's crack-a-lacking and take some pictures at the campus because I always wanted to visit the Ohio State University.